previous classes which we studied, we got to know that in the number, if there is a decimal point, it is called decimal number. Decimal is another form of expressing a fractions, and decimal means the denominator in the fraction is 10, 100, 1000 and so on. The point between units and tenth place is called as a decimal point, which separates from whole part and decimal fraction. We learnt everything now. Now here let's see a criteria or a scene where, see, there was a boy called Peter. He wanted to measure the length of a small pencil which he was using. So what he did, he used a scale to measure the length of a pencil. Now let's see what will be the exact measurement of the pencil. See, we all know that where 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Therefore, each part represents the 1/10, where 1/10 is called as 0.1, right? So it is read as a 0.1 centimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Now, see, let's see the measurement which the Peter got then. See here, he had got 3 centimeter and 8/10 of centimeter. See, this is nothing but 8.3 centimeter, right? So if you observe in this here, in the scale, if you observe, the pencil is meeting from how much? It is 3.8, right? See, from 3 and 8/10 equal, which is nothing but 3.8 centimeter. So likewise, we can measure many different objects. Sometimes we get point values. So that numbers are said to be the decimal number. And this is about the chapter fractions and decimals.